In this video, just real quickly, I wanted to lay out some groundwork for this course. I will be using Adobe Photoshop CC 2018. So obviously this is a Photoshop course and you need some version of Photoshop. If you have anything from CC 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, you'll be able to follow along and all the tools will look exactly the same. If you have an older version of Photoshop than that, some of the tools might look a little bit different. One in particular that I can think of is Select and Mask, which in older versions of Photoshop was called Refine Edge, I believe, if my memory serves me. And you can still get the job done in those versions, but the tool will just look a little bit differently. So I just wanted to make you aware that it doesn't really matter what version of Photoshop that you're using, but if you wanted to follow along exactly through this course, ideally a version from 2015 on would be the best option for you. Other than that, this image you just need to download, so it'll be attached to this video or it will be in the resources section of this course. And with that being said, let's pop into it and get this party started.